Are you looking for the best AI tool to quickly turn your idea into a functioning app? Today, we're comparing between four of the biggest AI tools: Base44, VO, Bubble, and Claude. So let's start with Base44. Base44 is an AI-assisted full-stack app builder that targets people who want more than just drag-and-drop front ends. It supports prompt-based app scaffolding. You describe what you want, and it generates UI and backend, such as database authentication and workflows and integrations. It also offers a preview and dashboard with live interactivity, letting you test and customize immediately from natural language. For teams or founders who want to build production-ready apps with minimal boilerplate, Base44 aims to reduce friction a lot. Some of its key features include prompt-based app generation with Visual Editor, with UI and backend. It has built-in integrations such as Slack, Notion, Stripe, and webhooks, with database and authentication features. It has live preview dashboard with the ability to revert prompt changes or undo in prompts. It has clean templates and design customizability in terms of fonts, colors, layouts, and spacing. Now for its pros. It is very strong for back-end logic and integrations. If your app needs user authentications, plus workflows, and external services, Base44 gives you the tools built in. It has rapid prototyping and visual iteration. You can get a working MVP quickly and refine via prompts and Visual Editor. However, it has a learning curve for more complex features. If you need heavy custom logic, custom front end beyond basic templates, there's still some work and arbitration needed. Some features such as front end polish, mobile responsiveness, and template switching are less flexible or may require manual adjustment. VO is moving towards being an AI app builder for everyone, not just devs. The rebranding of VO.app came with changes to make it more accessible. It's more code forward than pure no code. You often generate components or code scaffolds via prompts or AI, then tie them together with your own front end or deployment. Think of it as somewhere between an AI assistant for code and a builder. It's ideal if you want to jump quickly from idea to working app without fully coding everything, but you don't mind some code. Some of its key features include AI component generation and scaffolding via natural language or code prompts. It has the ability to sync to developer workflows or integrate with version control and code. It is more lightweight for users who want to build structure quickly but expect to do some custom work. Now for its pros. It's good for users with some technical background. You get speed in scaffolding and creation, but still access to code if needed. It has a flexible setup, more freedom for customizing or porting code to other environments, less lock-in than visual builders. However, it has a less polished UI builder compared to fully visual ones like Bubble. More work is required for front-end polish, and it can require more maintenance or wrangling, debugging generated code, and handling deployment if your app is complex. Bubble is one of the older no-code app builders, known for its visual editor, drag-and-drop UI, workflows, database, logic, and deploying apps without writing code. Recently, Bubble has added AI builder features to help generate parts of apps faster, such as layouts, templates, and flows, using prompts, while maintaining its core strength in visual design and front-end and back-end logic. Bubble is great if you want to build apps quickly, visually, with relatively less code or no code. Widely used for MVPs, internal tools, marketplaces, and dashboards. Some of its key features include drag and drop UI builder, with workflows and business logic defined visually. Its database and backend logic is built in. You can model data, build relational DBs, and custom workflows. It has AI-assisted app generation, prompts to generate UI and layout, and maybe initial workflows and templates. It has a large set of templates with plugin ecosystem and visual editing. Now for its pros. It is very accessible for non-technical users. You can get a lot of app builder functionality without writing code. It has a strong visual polish out of the box. UI and UX templates, workflows, responsive design are mature and reliable. However, its performance and scalability limits. When apps grow large, with many users and heavy workflows, Bubble sometimes struggle with performance or cost. It has less control over back-end code. If you want very custom behavior or integrations outside Bubble's ecosystem, you may hit limits or pay extra. Claude from Anthropic has recently introduced a feature called Artifacts that lets users build and share interactive AI-powered apps directly inside the Claude app. These aren't just static prompts. They can take inputs, run some logic, and act like mini apps. Free and paid tiers can build artifacts. It is still early in development, with some limitations, memory and external service integrations, but offers amazing ease for people who mostly want to test ideas or build simple tools without deploying infrastructure. Some of its key features include an in-app AI builder and artifact creation. You define the tool via prompt, and Claude handles running it. It has hosting and sharing by default, with no need to manage deployment and infrastructure. It is accessible to free tier and paid users, good for quick prototypes. Now for its pros, it is extremely easy to start. You don't need to worry about setup, servers, or deployment. It's built into the chat, and it's great for prototyping ideas or small tools fast. You can share them immediately. However, it has very limited external integrations right now. It can't connect to many external services or custom code as of yet. It has limited presence and memory in artifacts. For complex or larger apps, you'll likely outgrow what you can build in Claude. Now for its comparison features. In terms of speed to MVP and prototype, Claude and Base44 win for fast prototyping. Bubble is close behind with templates. In terms of front-end visual editing and design, Bubble leads. Base44 is good, and VO is less polished. Claude is minimal in UI control. In terms of back-end logic and integrations, Base44 is the strongest. VO is next. Bubble is good but limited custom mode. Claude is weaker now. In terms of ease for non-technical users, Bubble and Claude lead. Base44 is okay, and VO requires some technical comfort. In terms of scalability and production readiness, Base44 and Bubble are more mature. Claude and VO are best for smaller and simpler apps. In terms of sharing, hosting, and deployment, Claude handles hosting easily. Bubble includes hosting. Base44 has backend hosting, and VO requires more setup. What do we know about their pricing? Base44 has a free tier. Pricing depends on message and integration credits. It goes from free to approximately $160 a month for richer usage. VO is moving toward more accessible pricing. It has a free tier, though detailed pricing for larger usage may require contacting sales, as you can see here. For Bubble, it has free and trial tiers, paid plans for production with more capacity, features, custom domain, and traffic. Cost scales with app complexity. Claude has a free tier that supports app building. Paid or higher tiers unlock more powers and features. So which builder is better? If you want to build fast production-ready apps with complex backend logic and integrations, choose Base44 as it offers a great balance of AI prompting and scaffolding with real backend infrastructure. If you're a creator with some technical comfort and want component generation and scaffolding but expect to tweak and customize code, VO app may be the sweet spot. If you are non-technical who want to build something visually polished with minimal code, go with Bubble. It gives you a more visual control and more mature UI UX tools, and is good for MVPs, dashboards, and marketplaces. If you are curious, want to prototype ideas quickly, build simple tools, and don't need heavy integrations, Claude's Artifacts is exciting, especially if you want zero deployment hassle. For most founders building something real for users, Base44 tends to be the best all-rounder. Bubble is great if you want to focus on UI UX polish and speed. Claude is best for quick experiments, and VO is promising for hybrid dev and no-code folks. So which app builder are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.